Join me as I dive into the secrets of making money on YouTube using VidIQ and see if I can unlock the hidden strategies that could change my channel forever.
Making money on YouTube sounds like a dream come true, right? Well, it's definitely possible. And the key to success lies in optimizing your channel's performance. That's where tools like VidIQ come in. They help you boost your views, increase your engagement, and ultimately grow your revenue. So, you're trying to grow your YouTube channel, but it's just not happening. You're not getting the views you want, your engagement is low, and you're barely making any money. You're not alone. Many YouTubers struggle with these same issues. The truth is, growing a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a solid understanding of what works and what doesn't. But even with all the hard work in the world, you can still end up stuck in a rut. But what if I told you there's a way to overcome all these challenges and start seeing real results on your YouTube channel? Enter VidIQ, a powerful tool that can help you optimize your channel, boost your views, and increase your revenue. So, what makes VidIQ so special? For starters, it's got an incredible keyword research tool that helps you find the perfect keywords for your videos. It also offers amazing SEO optimization features that get your videos ranking high in YouTube's search results. And with its advanced analytics, you can track your performance, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to grow your channel. But that's not all. VidIQ also has a range of other features that can help you take your channel to the next level. From competitor analysis to content optimization, VidIQ has got you covered. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use, even if you're not tech-savvy. So, here's the secret I've been waiting to reveal. There's a powerful strategy within VidIQ that can dramatically improve your viewer engagement and income. Are you ready for it? It's called the Competitor Keyword Tool. This tool allows you to see exactly what keywords your competitors are ranking for, and how you can use that information to your advantage. It's a game changer, and it can help you start seeing real results on your channel. Using the Competitor Keyword Tool is incredibly simple. All you have to do is plug in your competitor's channel URL, and VidIQ will give you a list of keywords they're ranking for. From there, you can use that information to optimize your own videos and start ranking higher in YouTube's search results. It's a powerful strategy that can give you a serious edge over your competitors. But don't just take my word for it. The Competitor Keyword Tool has already helped thousands of YouTubers boost their views, increase their engagement, and grow their revenue. And the best part? It's included as part of VidIQ's regular toolkit, so you don't have to pay a penny extra. In summary, VidIQ is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you overcome the common challenges of growing a YouTube channel. From keyword research to SEO optimization, competitor analysis, and advanced analytics, VidIQ has got you covered. And with the Competitor Keyword Tool, you can start seeing real results on your channel. More views, more engagement, and more revenue. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you've got any experiences with VidIQ or tips for growing a YouTube channel, be sure to leave a comment below. And if you want to learn more about YouTube growth strategies, be sure to check out my other videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.